Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm NUR ADILA ZAHRA. I'm from A class. So in this video, I will try to practice pronunciation training, that is vowel sounds. Yeah, this is my test from my lecturer, Miss Eva. Hello Miss Eva, hopefully you always healthy. Amin. So let's get started. The first vowel sounds we have E. E. It uses the longer vowel sounds. E. You can hear these sounds words like beach, sleep, sweet, meet, and believe. Number 2 we have E, vowel sounds. It uses the short vowel sounds. E. E. You can hear these sounds words like hit, beat, chick, busy, and sunny. Number 3 we have U, vowel sounds. U. It uses short vowel sounds. U. You can hear these sounds words like book, cook, took, stood, and sugar. Number 4 we have U. U, vowel sounds. It uses the longer vowel sounds. U. You can hear these sounds words like you, shoe, who, cool, and moon. Number 5 we have A, vowel sounds. A. It uses short the vowel sounds. A. A. You can hear these sounds words like tan, left, excellent, leg, and sand. Number 6 we have A. A, vowel sounds. You must little open your mouth when pronounce it. A. You can hear these sounds words like flat, that, man, lamb, and apple. And then we have A, vowel sounds. A, vowel sounds. It's the lazier sounds in English vowel sounds. A, vowel sounds. You can hear these sounds words like teacher, the, today, picture, and smaller. Next we have A. A. It uses the longer vowel sounds. A. You can hear these sounds words like hair, bird, work, first, and word. Next we have O. 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 You can hear these sounds words like for, coat, gone, bought, and so. And then we have A, vowel sounds. A. A. You can hear these sounds words like pot, butter, lunch, gun, and love. Next we have A. 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 It uses the longer vowel sounds. A. You can hear these sounds words like part, heart, heart, car, and drama. The last vowel sounds we have O. 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 You can hear these sounds words like aunt, look, got, forgot, hot, bought, and vote. So that's it. That is 4 English vowel sounds pronunciations. I'm sorry if I get wrong. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.